up, guys? It's Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Kraton RTR EXB V2, I guess you could say. What I'm doing today, I'm gonna do a quick speed test. Didn't add nothing special. I just put got the sweeps on there. Y'all know I got front lights in the front and lights in the back. Gotta replace one of those though. I got a roof light, roof skid, white in the front, red in the back. But this is about a quick speed test today. Got it all zeroed out. Maybe I should go the other way. It was almost full throttle. Yeah, let's go this way. Yeah, she really not pushing like that. I could tell this is probably like 50, maybe a little 50 miles an hour. Check that speed real quick. Let's see if I'm right. 53 miles an hour. All right, let me calibrate this because this seems like it's not pushing like that. I'm gonna calibrate it real quick. Where we at? All right, got it all calibrated. Let's see if that's gonna make a difference. Had 53 last time, so I don't feel no difference though. All right, we're gonna come back on that one. These sweeps do keep it held down, but I don't feel no difference. Let's check that speed real quick. $54 miles an hour. Yeah, that's all right. Oh yeah, that's better, and that's 50%. All right, let's try again. We're gonna put it on 100. Sometimes you gotta recalibrate stuff because nah, that wasn't much. That definitely wasn't much. Yo, all right. I don't know why it's not performing like it usually do. All right, let's check that speed real quick. Only 53. All right, whatever, man. These ain't jumping tires. Sure is bottoming out a lot. Gotta stiffen up that them shocks right there. Yo. Yeah, these tires is good on-road tires. For some reason I can't reach certain speeds, and I don't know why. I'm gonna up the gear in this though, because I want to make these tires the tires for this car. So I'm definitely gonna up the gear. This thing is a beast. $53 miles an hour. I am disappointed. Very disappointed. Oh yeah, middle build. My wheelie bar gave out, man. It gave out on me. I didn't do it right anyway. I know I ain't do it right. But it was a bad crash. The dog bone came out. Yo, I know. But okay, all right. CVD came out. CVD came out. I bought some though. Lucky I just bought some. I have the weirdest brakes in this car. But that's why it was leaning like that. It was coming off. But that's okay. But as always, hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching. And I'm out.